Hey Gordon, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So we're just going to take a quick look and see what's going on with your website, see if there's anything we can do or any advice we can give. So right off the bat, hours of operation Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4:30. More something on the bottom. Same with this entire line actually, all the way on the bottom of the website. You don't need it up top. Second is great. Click to call, excellent. That's amazing. Request an estimate, even better. Gallery, about, paint, service, excellent. So you have the three services you do. I'm pretty sure you got more services, such as like maybe popcorn sand removal, or I mean, if you do outside as well, I'm pretty sure you got to clean, or maybe power wash or something like that. So I mean, anyway, something else. Conversation for another time. Sandblasting done right. Commercial signage. See, so you do a lot more things, but you're not listing them on the top here as a drop-down menu. So you don't want paint services. You just want to, as services, list everything under there so people can just quickly click and go to that. Remember, this is a tool for you to use so other people can quickly just jump to the next thing. Full service industry painting solutions, excellent. Commercial and industrial experts. Why choose you? What just happened? So it looks like my entire screen blacked out for a quick second there. But looks like it's all back, so I'm going to continue. And then finally, we're at the bottom of the page. Now, cool. All right, so locally owned, excellent. People like locally owned. It's actually really good. Anyway, solid website, so not going to say much about that, but let's look at the back end of your website, see what's going on there. So I'm going to use a specific tool called Ahrefs. It lets me see the workings of your website behind the scenes. So a UR rating is how strong your website is, and a DR rating is how much Google trusts you. Now you want these in the 30s and 40s with a ratio of 1 to 1. These are influenced by your backlinks. So the more backlinks you have, the better. Now, not all are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, like a Wikipedia or BuzzFeed page. So you definitely don't want those. You want stuff that really help you out. Now, a backlink is, by the way, where you have your link to your website somewhere else, like gordonbennettpainting.com. Somewhere else, somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it comes back to you. So 17 out of 49 come back. You're at a 0.3, so I'm assuming some of these are a little spammy as well, but that's okay. Easy fix. And then you have 32 organic keywords that people are going to type into Google and search for, and you have 3 traffic to your website. Let's find out what those organic keywords that you have are. Here, let's actually just do this. I don't know why I didn't do that to begin with, but let's find out what is going on. So we're going to look at the keyword. We're going to look at the volume of the keyword, and we're going to look at the traffic, and then obviously we're going to look at the um, position that you're in. So as long as it loads, of course. But right now, Painting Easton PA is an excellent volume keyword because it's very buyer intent, right? You got people looking for painting in Easton PA, so you know they're in the area. Same with Lehigh Valley, PA. You got 40 people. You're getting 2 people a month because you're in position 8. So just off the bat, you may be getting you're getting 4 traffic actually, but your main positions are on like pages 2 and 3. But you do have the right idea for a lot of these. Bennett painting isn't the greatest keyword in the world simply because it's an international keyword. Anyone in the world can search for that. That's why it's not very good. Easton painting is good, 70 a month. 0 traffic to your website. Again, you're on page 3 and toward the middle at that. So it's just good to note that if you want to start ranking for good ones, not good ones, but solid painting keywords, you're going to have to start, ranking a little higher than page 2 or 3. Now, you can also rank for other keywords such as, commercial painting, Allentown, PA, stuff like that. Just variations of the same one. Seems like you lost this guy. That's fine. Again, it was on page number 60. But let's take a look at a different type of organic keyword, right? Painters Easton, PA. Right off the bat, we have our GMB. You can pay to get in there. But with this, you have about a 30 to 40% chance of somebody clicking on one of those 3 things. And then on top of that, we have our organic search, which is starting off with Yelp and Angie's List, Home Advisor, and then certapro. Now, nothing wrong with those. They're just, directories. So people would rather go to an actual person. So certapro.com, they are a franchise, yes, but they are winning in the local area. So, I mean, we're just going to use them as your biggest competitor right now. Honestly, I look behind the scenes, they're not that great, but they are taking over your area. So they have all of these links over here with drop-down menus showing exactly what it is they do. Commercial house painting services in Easton, PA. By the way, this right here, house painting services in Easton, PA, is a huge keyword. Painting company, Greater Lehigh Valley is a painting company. Like they have the keywords there. They're also talking a little bit, learn more with links to new pages. Professional house painting services in Easton, that itself is a keyword. So they're doing well. I'm not gonna really say much on that. Why use CertaPro reputation, all that stuff. So I don't know why they're not talking about this, but again, franchise, so I'm not really gonna say anything about it. Residential commercial painting, where they are, Easton, PA, and Easton Tourism. And then obviously all the other areas in the area that they do actually service. So let's take a look behind the scenes, see what CertaPro Painting is doing differently. Now, I am just looking at this entire back page, right? This isn't even the main page, certapro.com. This is Greater Lehigh Valley / House Painters Easton, PA. So a back page of a back page is ranking number one, well, number four in the area. But they have a UR rating of 14 just for this highlighted, and a DR rating of 71. Now, the trust rating is for the entire thing. Now, just for this back page, they have 3 backlinks, 2 referring domains, 2 organic keywords, right? And again, they have probably thousands for the entire CertaPro painting that doesn't even have anything. Now, they're only ranking for 1 keyword, painting Easton, PA, 40 volume. They're getting 3 people because they're in position 5. And that's not exactly the one I put in. I put painters. So even if they're similar, Google might actually push them to you as well. So how does this really help you out, Gordon? Honestly, all you got to do is we got to get better backlinks, right? Find, take a look at your competition, find out what they're really doing as far as backlinks go, especially if they're ranking higher than you. Take theirs and then put them on your page as well. Get good organic keywords, strong ones. I'm not saying there's a lot of volume in Easton and Lehigh Valley, but I'm sure there's more than just, the 40s and 50s. There's got to be some that are at least 100, 150 at least. Get those, find out what they are, get them on your website so you can start ranking for them, and then start moving forward. Now, again, last thing besides for backlinks and keywords is content. Content is key. You need at least 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage in order for Google to start taking you actually seriously. That's all I got, though. But imagine if you can bring in an additional 50 people through your website without even trying. Well, that's all I got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have a good night, man. Bye.